Okay, so I'm inspecting a hot water tank. It's electric, and I'm being told that it's in pretty good condition. But when you see visible rust at the very top and deterioration, it's time to replace the hot water unit. Check this out. So the age of this hot water unit is 2009, which means it's 17 years old. And one of the first things that stands up and salutes me is the visible rust at the very top of the hot water tank. It goes all the way around the perimeter. Plus, you got visible rust and deterioration at your plumbing pipe connection, your temperature pressure relief valve there, the anode rod, and then on the cold water side, look how deteriorated that is. So for a gas hot water unit, the average service life is 13 to 15 years. A little bit longer for a gas, but this one's 17 years old. It's aged and deteriorated, and if you're gonna replace it, go tankless.